Good morning, students. So today we will discuss water cycle. Have you wondered what causes the rain? Why it is raining? What are the reasons for that? So for that, first of all, we need to understand that is evaporation and condensation. So what is evaporation? Evaporation means the boiling of the water. It can be due to the heat or it can be due to the sunlight. So for example, if you have observed a puddle of water, after some time it will evaporate. So why does it evaporate? It evaporates due to the heat of the sun. So due to the heat of the sun, the water it gets evaporated from the river, lakes, ponds. Okay, so that's why the puddle of water also dries us after some time due to evaporation. If you will dry the clothes, so which clothes will dry faster? In summer the clothes will dry faster or winter? In summer the clothes will dry faster because the rate of evaporation is more in summer. Similarly, if you will do an activity, if you have to dry a towel and if you have folded it and one towel you have not folded, so which one will dry faster? The towel which has not been folded, that will dry faster because in that the rate of evaporation it is more, because the area that is more, so the rate of evaporation will also be more in the case in which the towel is not folded. So next process is condensation. Condensation, if you have observed, when we are boiling the water and if we are closing it, then the small droplets of water will collect on the lower side of the plate. This is called condensation, means the vapors they become cool and they get converted into the form of water droplets again. So this is called condensation. Clear? मीन्स कि वाटर को जब हम बॉईल कर रहे हैं तो वेपर्स बने, दैट इज इवेपोरेशन, बट व्हेन दे विल कूल दैट इज कॉल्ड कंडेंसेशन. सो ड्यू टू द sun heat the water it is evaporation. This is called evaporation. So the droplets they will rises higher and they will mix up with the cool air and they will convert back into the water droplets due to condensation, and then they will form the clouds. But the clouds they will not be able to hold the water for the longer time. After some time they become heavier and they will not be able to hold that water, so they come in the form of rain. So this entire process, this is called the water cycle. So when the water goes, when the water it becomes heater due to evaporation, and then it will form the clouds and then it will rain. So